Hello YouTube family, how are you doing today? So we are still in the month of March. I have not announced the winner as yet. Are you still watching the videos? I hope you are still watching the videos because I have plenty in store for you this month. I had an interview this morning on Smile Jamaica, but it's not about what I'm doing here on YouTube. It's regarding my day job. So that went well, thank God. I prayed, it went well. So I just want to thank God for just allowing me to not be nervous and to just go and represent my organization. So today, guess what we're going to be talking about? You can't guess. Today we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you advertise goods and services online. So you have a unique link that you put out. Either you send it on social media or even on YouTube. You can, tell people about products and services. And when those people click on those links to purchase, you get a commission. So that is affiliate marketing. This is an easy form of passive income. So you just advertise a thing one time, and every time somebody clicks that link, you get a sale, and you have a unique link that is assigned to you that you will get they will notice that your link has been taken in new clients. So that is how you get paid percentage of what is sold. You remember in this video where I spoke about the wig that I had on and I bought it from Amazon. I spoke to you about the bag that I had and I told you that I purchased that also from Amazon, and I also told you about the products that my friend Des sold or sells. I never said it to you that time because I wanted to use this as a teachable moment for you to let you know that that was affiliate marketing, right? So when somebody clicks the link that I provided for them to purchase the handbag, or for them to purchase the hair, or even to purchase something from my friend, if anybody buys, then I get a percentage of what they buy. So that in essence is affiliate marketing. Also, the course by Mr. McIntosh, not the free version, the one that is you have to pay for it, that is also affiliate marketing. If you still want to check out the bag, the hair, the products from Des, and even the course from Mr. McIntosh, you can click the description box and access those links now. So affiliate marketing is a popular strategy now for merchants to invite people like me and you, regular people like me and you, to sell their products on their behalf. So no longer are they waiting for celebrities to advertise their products. They're giving it out to regular people like you and I to advertise on their behalf and generate income for them, right? So if we advertise to a friend or family, we're more likely to get sales for them than some celebrity or somebody else telling them who they don't know and maybe don't trust, right? So your friends and family might trust you, and as such they might buy the products because they find you trustworthy and know your character over time. So they say, oh, Shanice use a product here, so if she use it, then that means it's safe, it's good, can use it, right? So that is basically what the merchants do as it relates to affiliate marketing. Essentially, I am an affiliate where I advertise different products for people. So affiliate marketing has a 80% conversion rate, meaning that 8 out of 10 times when you send out an affiliate link, you're more likely to get clients because they trust you, and because they trust you, they're gonna purchase what you suggested to them. So basically what today's video will be teaching you are the different platforms that you can actually log on to and start your affiliate marketing journey to earn some extra money. The first one is Amazon Associates. This one is the most popular affiliate marketing program, even though it has really low payout, right? But it's extremely popular because Amazon, big platform, big mall with whole heap of stores, right? So they actually pay you to advertise different products and services. As I said before, the things that I advertise are from Amazon, and as such, if you buy, I get some money. They actually offer 1 to 10% of the cost of the item. You know what I like about Amazon? Here what I like, and I think some of the others really don't offer this part of it. If you say, for example, I send you to Amazon via my link that I get, my unique affiliate link, and I send you to Amazon and you don't buy that item. Say, for example, I tell you about the hair, you don't buy the hair, you go on and you see something else, you see shoes, and you buy shoes on Amazon. I still make a commission from that because I was the one that led you to go on to Amazon in the first place. So I get a percentage of that sale. Additionally, Amazon offers performance-based incentives, which means that you can get higher sales, higher percentages if you drive audience to campaign or specific products. So the next one is Flex Offers. This platform has over 12,000 advertisers, right? There are many products to choose. You can also get discount codes where you can share the discount codes and you can make money from it. So say, for example, I'm advertising for a particular company, and if I say to you, click the link below, or click the link because if you click, you can get a 10% discount for signing up, right? So those are what you call discount codes. So no matter what you want to do or any topic that you want to choose from, there is an affiliate for it. Even if you don't have an audience, you can use Flex Jobs to build an audience. So some merchants that you can promote their products are Reebok, Forever 21, Expedia, Hotels.com, etc. Go to Flex Offers, complete your affiliate marketer application, and you can just get started from there. So another one is Impact. On Impact, you have a wide range of brands on different niches, right? Fashion, beauty, technology, finance, travel, and many others. Some of the brands available through Impact are Adidas, Sephora, Uber's on there too, Airbnb, Samsung, Bluehost, Grammarly, eBay, HP, Canva. You can see my Canva link below because I use Canva for all of my thumbnails. And I do a lot of other things on Canva too. When I did the business plan, that's where I did it in Canva, and it looked really nice and presentable. So there are other things that you can use Canva for, to create documents. If you want to create business cards, anything, you can do it in Canva. But you know what is good about Impact? Their commissions are higher than most of the affiliate programs that I'll be listing in this video. They offer commissions even as high as 50%. The next program is Share a Sale, and they offer a wide range of services and products. Some brands that are on this website are Reebok, Wayfair, Grammarly, Etsy, Bluehost, Rent the Runway, Vital Protein. Another one is ClickBank. On this website, they really focus on physical and digital products. They have over 6 million products from which you can choose. You can just go and sign up for a free account. Don't worry, I'll be listing all of these in the description. If you don't remember everything that I've said in this video, everything will be listed in the description below. I don't know if you have liked my video as it, if you have shared my video as it, or if you have subscribed as it. But I'm going to ask you right now, please like, share, and leave a comment, because I want to know what your thoughts are on these videos and if I'm actually helping or not helping you at all. Next one is CJ Affiliates, which is one of the largest affiliate platforms. They have brands such as Amazon, Expedia, Best Buy, Home Depot, TripAdvisor, Capital One, Nike, HP, Walmart, Apple, Microsoft, etc. So you can visit their website and just apply for a program that you are interested in. Another one is Rakuten Marketing. Brands that are promoted on Rakuten are Walmart, Macy's, Nike, Expedia, eBay, Amazon, Samsung, Bed Bath & Beyond, Home Depot, as well as a wide range of other companies, right? They offer 2 to 6% on commissions. You can go to their website, sign up, and if you are accepted, you just start sending out your affiliate links. Another one is eBay Partner Network. They offer 50 to 70% of revenue on eligible purchases. They don't just promote products on eBay, but they have a wide range of products from other companies as well that you can promote. They also provide resources that you can use to optimize your affiliate marketing strategy and drive more sales. Some companies that they advertise for are Apple, Samsung, Nike, Microsoft, Sony, HP, Dell, etc. Another one is Avangate Affiliate Network. Promote digital products including software. The brands to promote on this website are Bitdefender, Movavi, and many more. They offer 20 to 50% commissions. Expedia, Samsung, Vodafone, and so many more products. I hope this affiliate marketing, can I say lecture? I can say lecture. Yes, it was a lecture. I hope this affiliate marketing lecture was good. But you know, I'm not going to go in depth because I'm giving you this information so that you can do your own research into these companies and to see how you can advertise these products. So you might be saying, yes, become an affiliate, but how do I do it? So if you have a YouTube channel like how I have a YouTube channel, you can always speak about the products and put the links in the description. Or if you are on social media, you can always do some form of advertisement on your Instagram, Facebook, whatever social media you're on, and let people know that these are the products you're advertising, and chances are you might get some sales from it. You can also create a blog and just put it on the internet and put the affiliate links in that blog. But those are some of the ways that you can get your affiliate marketing links out. You can send out emails to your friends, to people. You can do so many things with these links, right, to generate sales. And I mean, it's a passive form of income, because while you sleep, you are earning money. You just put it out one time, people see it, like it, and click it. Right? And as in the case of Amazon, even if they don't purchase the item that you told them about, you still get a commission if they purchase something just by clicking your link and going into something else. You still get money, right? So it's not a bad venture. It's not something that I would encourage you to do as a full-time job, because it is not. It is just passive income and something that you can do on the side while you're doing your other job, or you're doing it in conjunction with your business. But I hope this video helps, and you can tell me if you have tried any and what the results are for you. So thank you as always. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, because soon I'll be announcing the winner of the Amazon gift certificate, and I really hope that you or your loved ones are in my subscribership email list, so I can send you the certificate if you are chosen, right? So thank you very much. Please come back again for another video, and while you're at it, you can check out 1 or 2 videos and tell me what you think, right? So thank you again. See you next time. Bye.